Alright, this is your new noise machine. I'm just going to go over the basic functions of how it works and everything. It opens up. It's got this little clasp I made for it there. Opens up so customs can take a peek inside when you're on your international travels. If you look on the inside, it lights up on the inside as well. So it looks more like a bomb on the inside than it does the outside. But basically, you've got several different sections on here. You've got your main pitch VCO. You've got LFO1 that modulates your main pitch. You've got LFO2 that modulates LFO1, and then LFO3 that modulates LFO2. Your main pitch keypad, the main VCO, goes out into this octave divider, and it has 8 different octaves of it splits your signal, and it also, on the slower octaves, it modulates. So I'll go over that in a minute. You also have an 8-step sequencer. Your sequencer has tempo. It also has a step knob to shorten the length of your sequence from 1 to 8 steps. You can drop the steps in and out. You have a sustain toggle for your main VCO. I'll go ahead and show you how these work. You basically know how these work because you have one similar to it, but so each one of these you can adjust the pitch. This last one right here is connected to the sustain, so that ends up being, if you have the sustain up, that's your main bass pitch. So you can kind of get a rough idea of how that works. And you also have a body contact section. The body contact section is relevant to the octave divider, so you touch for the different octaves. And then you have your sequencer. So you got an on-off for your sequencer. So when you use your sequencer, if you don't have your main pitches and sustain, each step is connected to the same keypad knob configuration right underneath it. So this step, this is the main pitch of that step. You can toggle them in and out. If you have the sustain on, this becomes your lowest point. So now you'll see the steps come completely out. When I turn the sustain knob on, then it just goes, instead of cutting completely out, it goes to the lowest pitch.